Today in the livestock complex, the live cattle did firm up. That neutral USDA report came in. There was no surprise. On-feed report and the cattle inventory really didn't give us much, and it kind of relieved some of the traders. Now the market looks to close the gap between the futures and the cash market, and that really gave it an opportunity to kind of firm up. We're expecting perhaps there's going to be some late summer demand that could give the market a little bit of a boost. Certainly the cattle traders are watching the feeders. The feeders were much higher today. The grains decline is definitely the future support behind that feeder market, and really gave it a little bit of a kickstart today. That underlying support definitely activated some buying, and the market, really started to pick up. I think that this technical breakout on the upside could gain some momentum and start to move the market higher. We definitely have to watch to see if any more numbers are going to come in at the end of the summer, if we're going to get a little bit more of a kick of demand. Otherwise, we're going to start looking towards the fall, and if we can get something else going there. Clearly, we're really hoping for some kind of resolution with the trade war. That would help completely the livestock complex as a whole. Now, the hogs were mixed today. The China optimism has been lackluster. There was some idea that maybe we were going to get a little bit more buying coming in, but the futures are trading. We're trading at opposite of what the livestock was, what the live cattle was, where it's at a premium to the cash. But with no news out of China, it doesn't bode well for the market to really get a little bit of a lift. Now, early on, the market was a little bit lower, but was able to come back. The deferred months are slightly higher. That just tells us that we don't really know which way to go. We're going to start moving sideways. Definitely, we're off the bottom. There isn't, no one's completely worried that the market is just going to fall off an edge here, but we're just waiting for more news, or perhaps we can get the cold storage report coming after the close today. Should give us a little bit better idea on maybe some market direction. The expectation is it's going to be relatively neutral, but any kind of surprise can happen. We don't know. For the last number of months, anything can happen here that would give us a little bit more idea of which way the market direction we can go, at least for the short term.